Hello, this is not the end crochet. How you doing today? I've been hook shopping. Yeah, big surprise there, huh? Okay, well, I've been placing orders, 3 hooks at a time, and what I've been doing here lately is that I decided I wanted at least one of every zodiac. These are zodiacs. And that'll bring me up to date because there's like 3 or 4 that sold out, but I've put myself on the list to get them when they come back available. And these are mysteries. Have no idea what's in there. I just know I think I ordered 5.5. I don't know. Well, see when I get in there. But let's see what zodiacs I got. Okay. Ooh. I'm in love with green. And I don't even like green. That's pretty. What is this? Green. Virgo. Very pretty hook. It's got the long extended head. It's nice. Very nice. Who next? I believe this one is Pisces. Now, I always thought Pisces' color was blue, and I can see a little blue in it mixed in with the black. Very pretty. All of these are 5.5 if I didn't mention that. Let's see. And what's in this one? Ooh, okay. This is a Taurus. It's very nice. I like the pink down at the bottom. Now, I went ahead and unboxed this yesterday when they came because, I couldn't help myself. And I'm keeping them in the box until I can find some more felt to make a pouch. I'm a little behind on that. Okay. Let's open up and see what I got. Bottom, top. After too long, I'm going to have to get a bigger box to keep these in. I was hoping they would reissue the little drawer to keep the hooks in, but they hadn't done that yet. They said it was going to on one of the lives, but they hadn't yet. Let's see what I got. Okay, I didn't get all 5s. All the different sizes. Ordered a 10, 6.5, and a 9. Oh, that's right, because they didn't have that available like that. Okay, cool. Let's see. What else? Why didn't you get out the way? Little box, a cute little box. Okay, the first mystery hook. Let's see. Sometimes I've seen other people on YouTube open theirs and they all get like the same color, and sometimes they get different colors, so I have no idea. Let's have a look, see. Ooh, blood red. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, they're seconds, aren't they? They're mystery seconds. And this is the color everybody getting. Well, a bunch of them left over, didn't they? Okay, this one is the 10. It kind of looks like my Aries, but then again, it doesn't. Maybe it would if everything was distributed correctly. Okay. Well, that's that mystery solved. Let's see what's in here. Now, if they're all the same, oh, thank goodness they're not. Ooh. Oh, this is cookies. This is from the cookie line. I got one of these. But it don't look like this. It's all distributed all up through here. Okay, and this is a 9. Get a little right there. Okay. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, I got one of these already, but I forget what. This might be the cream. Now it's done good. How come they didn't like it? I'm liking this. This is a 6.5. Okay. I wonder would that be in Aries if it was distributed better. And this is just like somebody didn't stir it good. Let's see. I like the little right there. How about that? But this one is really gorgeous. I don't know why they scrapped it, because it's, I don't know, anybody would have loved to have this. Oh well. So there we have it. Mystery solved. And I'm so glad I didn't get the same color. I got different colors. I'm very glad about that. Thanks for watching. Toodles.